The word of the day is hyperactive. The spelling is Hyperactive. It is an adjective meaning abnormally or extremely active. Sentence: hyperactive children often have poor concentration and require very little sleep. Once again, the word of the day is hyperactive. The word of the day is heed. The spelling is H-E-E-D. It is a verb meaning pay careful attention. Sentence: he didn't heed my advice. Once again, the word of the day is heed. The word of the day is hesitate. The spelling is H-E-S-I-T-A-T-E. It is a verb meaning pass indecisively. Sentence: don't hesitate to do something. Once again, the word of the day is hesitate. The word of the day is hollow. The spelling is H-O-L-L-O-W. It is an adjective meaning having empty space inside. Sentence: bamboo is a sort of hollow plant. Once again, the word of the day is hollow. The word of the day is habituated. The spelling is H-A-B-I-T-U-A-T-E-D. It is a verb meaning make or become used to something. Sentence: they are habituated to hard work. Once again, the word of the day is habituated. The word of the day is haar-dee. The spelling is H-A-R-D-Y. It is an adjective meaning capable of surviving difficult conditions. Sentence: most of the soldiers were hardy young men. Once again, the word of the day is haar-dee.